The Oblique Shock Interactive Calculator solves for flow properties across oblique shock waves in supersonic flow. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a drop-down for calculation mode with 6 options. Find shock angle V from M1 and Th. Find downstream M₂ from M1 and Th. Find pressure ratio P2-P1 from M1 and Th. Find temperature ratio T2-T1 from M1 and Th. Find deflection angle Th from M1 and V. And find all properties from M1 and Th. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Find shock angle V from M1 and Th. Next, enter the upstream Mach number M1, the deflection angle Th in degrees, and the specific heat ratio G. The shock angle V field appears when needed for certain calculation modes. Here's a worked example. I'll input upstream Mach number M1 equals 3.0. Deflection angle Th equals 20.0 degrees, and specific heat ratio G equals 1.4. After clicking Calculate, the results show shock angle V equals 37.76 degrees, confirming our weak shock solution. The downstream Mach M₂ is 1.9941, showing the flow remains supersonic. The pressure ratio P2-P1 equals 3.7713, meaning pressure increases by nearly 4 times across the shock. The temperature ratio T2-T1 is 1.5596 and the density ratio R2-R1 is 2.4181. The normal component M1N equals 1.8372, and the calculator confirms this is a weak shock with supersonic downstream flow. This tool streamlines oblique shock calculations for aerospace applications. Find the link in the description below.